Come on.
The power's back! Sorry. Alright, tonight, Sam's House of... crap. Tonight, Sam's House of Brew, we're doing grilled lasagna.
I'm not wearing my sunglasses.
You need to wear those.
Tyler, run to my car real quick.
Welcome to Sam's House of Brew. Today we're cooking grilled beer
Lasagna.
Welcome to Sam's House of Brew. Today we're cooking grilled lasagna. Woo! Just so you guys know, you're supposed to thaw this out first, but I didn't do it. So just say it. Sam's House of Brew, we do it old style.
We're gonna need a bigger hammer.
Okay, I think we're gonna get... Yes! We're in... No, we're not. Darn it! It's still one piece. Oh, wait. No!
Hey.
We are smarter than the meat we cook. Where the magic happens, boys. Alright, we need one more ingredient. You know what that ingredient is? It is beer. Oh yeah.
What you want? What you want?
Sam, what did we learn about not being conservative?
We're not conservative.
Come on.
Woo!
Alright, cheers.
Woo!
It tastes good. Tastes good. I've got... It tastes good.
Oh yeah.
Beer toast. Good idea.
Need more beer.